Ever wondered how saving a rainforest can impact your wallet and the power grid? Here's the scoop. Scientists use something called partial correlation to map the hidden links between biodiversity, clean energy, and money, like drawing invisible threads between nature, tech, and finance. When one changes, the others react, sometimes in surprising ways. Think of it like a group chat. If one member drops out, the whole conversation shifts. This network approach helps us predict and protect what matters most. Want to celebrate world-changing ideas? Nominate your favorite scientist at worldtopscientists.com. Subscribe for more science in 60 seconds. Thanks for watching.